In this video, we will be studying and optimize this auto support and resistance indicator in TradingView. Basically, this indicator can provide auto support and resistance zone for us to plan for our trading strategy. In this video, we will try to optimize the best setting for this indicator, and we will add one more additional powerful indicator to the chart to support for our trading strategy. With this 2 indicator, it can provide the best trading strategy with double confirmation in trading. Make sure that you watch to the end, as we will try to optimize the best setting based on your trading strategy with different time frame. We will study out and backtest the indicator with the best setting. Let's start. First of all, open up the indicator in the Indicator tab. Search for Support and Resistance Signal by LuxAlgo. Besides, we will add one more additional volume profile to support for the trading strategy. Open up Volume Profile Fixed Range by Lonesome the Blue. Basically, this 2 indicator combination is powerful enough for our trading strategy. Next, we will set for our time frame and indicator setting. Basically, for this support and resistance indicator. For 1-minute scalping time frame, set the detection length to 5. Support and resistance margin to 1. Manipulation margin to 1.1. While for 5-minute scalping time frame, set the detection length to 10. Support and resistance margin to 1.5. Manipulation margin to 1.2. For 15-minute scalping time frame, the detection length is 15. Support and resistance margin is 2, and manipulation time frame is 1.3. This is my best optimized setting for each of the time frame. You can customize your own and take my reference setting. Make sure that you can find the best optimized setting based on your time frame and trading strategy. Next, we will try to stimulate the trading strategy. Basically, at this area, the chart have reach and touches the support area zone. Basically, this area will form a strong support to the chart. If the chart can stand strongly on the support zone, basically it will have change in momentum upwards if the support can support the chart downtrend momentum. In this scenario, we can try to plot for our trading strategy based on the chart. First, open up risk-reward projection and plot our support and cutlass area. For a profitable trade, we need to ensure that our risk-reward ratio for a long or even short position must be more than 1. As if the ratio is more than 1, we can have a reward bias trade if we trade following our trading strategy on risk-reward project. As you can see in the chart, our chart is currently supported by the support zone, and we can plan our cutlass referring to previous close candlestick. And for take profit uptrend target, we can set to intermediate high volume resistance area based on the chart. Based on this, our risk-reward ratio is more than 1. It states with a 3.6 ratio. So this means that our trading strategy based on this risk-reward projection can be profitable. And make sure that we need to obey for our intermediate trading strategy as it helps us to plan for a rewarding trade. To ensure this, you can backtest this strategy using support resistance zone and in reference of volume profile to come with a optimized trading plan. If you want to learn more on trading strategy, you can check the next trading indicator to study out as references.